Let's make a prophetic dream pillow for winter solstice. Winter solstice is a very traditional time with the longest night and shortest day for the whole of the year, where we can do magic around the night, around the moon, and around our sleep time. So this is the ideal thing to have a go at making, and of course sleeping with for yourself this winter solstice. So as you can see, I've got my folded piece of material. I've actually sewn up the two edges. So then this end is a fold and this end is still open. It's got a hole, and I've done it all with the inside material facing out, so that now that I've sewn the two sides, I can actually turn it back inside out, and we've got the nice material now showing out, and all your stitching is on the inside rather than the outside of your dream pillow. And then at this point you are ready to fill your dream pillow with all your herbs and crystals and symbols and anything else that you want to fill your herb bag with. So when you're using herbs, always remember that you need to charge up the herbs that you're going to use with the intent for whatever it is that you're creating. So it doesn't matter if you have dried leaves or fresh herbs, whatever you have, it is a good idea to charge it up with your intent. So you can pour your herbs into a bowl so that you can easily run your fingers through your herbs. And you can charge up multiple types of herbs all together if they all have the same intent. It's getting your energy in through the herbs as well as holding your intent. So you want to visualize as best as you can that end outcome. You want to feel it, feel what it feels like if your request has been fulfilled. You want to put all the energies, all the feelings, all the seeing and feeling and affirming, using any affirmations with anything that you might have picked from the garden that's nice and fresh. You can either do it in your hands all together the way that it is while it's still all together, and you can use it all together, or you can pull the leaves off the stems. That's totally up to you. Or of course you could take the leaves off at this point, put them in your bowl and be charging up everything all together in that way. So just know that it's important to be charging up your herbs, charging up your crystals, charge up every single item that you're going to use in any of your spell work with your intent, with your energy. And here's our completed dream pillow with all the ends finished being sewn up. So with the last end, you simply fold your two ends that are left down so that they're folded inside the two ends come together, and then you sew those two ends together, and that way you end up with a nice neat finish on all of your ends. Same simple stitch. You could do a blanket stitch more along this end to finish it off a little bit neater if you wanted to. Totally up to you, but it doesn't have to be stuffed really fatly full. It's just a matter of having the items that you have charged up with your intent in there. It smells lovely. You could add a couple of extra drops of oil to it if you wanted to, an oil that obviously connects with our intent here. So like a lavender or a chamomile or something lovely like that, to really be able to finish it. And then this is all ready. We charge it up between two hands with our intent once again. Now that it's all together, we see it tucked under our pillow and ourselves having those wonderful prophetic dreams, dreams with guidance, intuitive guidance of things that are coming, wonderful dreams of things ahead. And it's ready to go. So charge that up on the night of winter solstice or for a little while on your altar before you tuck it under your pillow. Especially good on winter solstice and then the following nights as well. And allow yourself to have some of those wonderful guided dreams. Wishing you a really blessed winter solstice.